Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to online class. So today we are going to discuss about refraction of light. Until now we are discussing only about reflection only. And in that reflection we are discussing many concepts. Reflection due to plane mirror, reflection due to spherical mirror, and image formation due to plane mirror, and image formation due to spherical mirrors. And we will get different types of images with different positions of the object. So now I am entering today about refraction. How we will define refraction of light and what are the characteristics of refraction of light we will see. And before entering refraction, just I recall some points related to reflection. See, in reflection is nothing but the bouncing back of light in the given medium is known as the reflection. See, for example, you can see opaque objects. For example, opaque objects means the light does not travel to another side also. So for that only the light will be reflected. Hence, for opaque objects, easily reflection will be possible. So for that only, but here you can see refraction for opaque objects. Refraction does not possible. Why? Because refraction is nothing but some deviation or some bending. See, for refraction of light, actually we know light seems to be travel along a straight line path in a given transparent medium. So for example, what happens when light ray enters from one transparent medium to another transparent medium? Here that is a question. We know light is traveling along a straight line in a given transparent medium. In one particular medium, light is traveling along a straight line only. For example, when a light ray travels from one transparent medium to another transparent medium, what will be happen? It still move along a straight line path or change its direction? Here that is our question. So when light ray travels along a straight line in a particular medium, the light ray will be traveling along straight line only. For example, if you travel from one transparent medium to another transparent medium, if any changes will be occur, it's still moving with straight line path or change its direction, that we will see. See, now I am going definition of refraction of light. The definition of refraction of light is the bending of light ray when they pass obliquely from one transparent medium to another transparent medium is called refraction of light. That is a simple definition of refraction of light. What is the definition? The bending of light ray when they pass obliquely from one medium to another medium is called refraction of light. Now see, in another words, when light ray traveling in one medium or incident on a transparent surface is nothing but boundary of two medium. When light ray is traveling in one medium or incident on a transparent surface, it means boundary of two medium, and they are bent as they enter in second medium. If it enters second medium, the light ray will be bent. This phenomenon of bending of ray of light when they enters from one transparent medium to another transparent medium is called refraction of light. Simply, definition of refraction of light is what? The bending of the light ray when they pass obliquely from one transparent medium to another transparent medium is known as the refraction. See, here I want to discuss some note points. Just listen carefully. The note points are, see, for first note point, the speed of light is known as the raremed. The speed of light is known as the raremed. Whenever speed of light is more, for example, you can see air. What is the speed of light? 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. But we know very well the speed of light in vacuum also 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. So it's a marginally equal to speed of light in air is 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. In vacuum also 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. See, so for that only speed of light is known as the rarer medium. So here air is compared to all mediums, air is a rarer medium. You can see glass and water. So remaining all mediums, air is a rarer medium. Why? Because speed of light is more for air. You can see for second note point, the speed of light is less is known as the denser medium. Speed of light is less is known as the denser medium. See, note 3, when light ray travels from rarer medium to denser medium, the light ray bends towards the normal. This is a very, very important note point. Just listen carefully. Just remember this one. When light ray travels from rarer medium to denser medium, the light ray bends towards the normal. And next note point is, when light ray travels from denser medium to rarer medium, the light ray bends away from the normal. These are the 4 important note points. What are that important note points? First note point is the speed of light is known as the rarer medium. The speed of light is less is known as the denser medium. When light ray travels from rarer medium to denser medium, the light ray bends towards the normal. When light ray bends away from the normal, when the light ray travels from denser medium to rarer medium. These are the four important points. Next concept is, what is the cause of refraction? How light ray will be bent? This is how light ray will be bent. Now we will see. See, the light ray gets deviated from their original path while they entering from one transparent medium to another transparent medium. And here, different mediums have different optical densities. See, these optical density is another small concept I will discuss after that. Density is not here. Density means not here mass per unit volume. Here, optical density of definite connotation is there, and different meaning is there, that I will discuss after that. So, for every medium, have different optical densities. So different mediums have different optical densities. For every medium have some optical density is there. I will discuss after that about optical density. So see here, the light ray gets deviated from their original path while entering from one transparent medium to another transparent medium. So this deviation, this change in direction in the path of light is due to the change in velocity of light. What is the occur or what is the cause of refraction? Due to the change in velocity of light in the different medium. Already I told, for rarer medium speed of light is more, for denser medium speed of light is less. So due to the change in speed of light, the refraction will be happen. Due to the change in speed of light, the refraction will be happen. Hence the velocity of light depends on the nature of the medium. See, for example, for rarer medium, velocity of light or speed of light is more. For denser medium, the speed of light or velocity of light is less. So the velocity of light depends on the nature of the medium. So hence the velocity of light in rarer medium is more than in a denser medium. Already I told, for rarer medium velocity of light is more, for denser medium velocity of light is less. For velocity of light in rarer medium is low optical density. I will discuss again the optical density. What is the meaning of optical density? For rarer medium have low optical density, for denser medium have high optical density. Thank you. These are very, very important concepts. Just remember, throughout these refraction concepts, we are using these note points.